What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the integral of tan squared 2x dx. So I'm going to use substitution method in this case, and I have u as dx. It means that du is going to be 2dx, and it means that dx equals to du over 2. So basically we need to find out the integral of tan squared u du over 2, or 1 over 2 tan squared u du. Now we need to find out the integral of tan squared u du. We know 1 plus tan squared x equals to secant squared x, which means that tan squared x equals to secant squared x minus 1. Therefore, tan squared u equals to secant squared u minus 1. So we have 1 over 2 secant squared u minus 1 du. Then I basically separate them. 1 over 2 secant squared u du minus 1 over 2 du. What is the derivative of secant squared? The derivative of secant squared is tan, so it's going to be 1 over 2 tan u minus 1 over 2 u plus a constant number. So what is u? U is 2x. So that's going to be 1 over 2 tan 2x minus 1 over 2 2x plus a constant number, which will be 1 over 2 tan 2x, 2 and half cancel out, minus x plus a constant number. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.